Hear that?
Hear what?
It was... Go!
We're okay. They're just bouncing off the field. What the scut? Shields down! Blast them!
Keep your heads down! I got this!
We don't want to be here for reinforcements!
Don't let up! Take them down fast! We need to get off this thing!
They're trying to trap us here!
Clark! This thing's going down! We gotta dock this heat fast!
Now what, Rocket?
We need a new skiff that ain't got holes.
Ah! Wrap them up,
Trying to
bud!
hit us in!
Fair mistake! Hey, goons! Try to stand real close together!
Bombs away, Rocket! No fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
They're trying to distract us so more can come!
It's working! They're really distracting!
Anybody see a way out of here?
Yeah, hard to tell with all the moving parts.
Drax! Kick their butts!
Why do they fight us? Because they're a loony space cult?
Having fun preying on the weak?
Guys, huddle up!
I know! It's like they want me to keep blowing them up. And I gotta admit, every time they go splat, it paints an awfully nice picture. There's no way we lose today, Quill.
You think we're in trouble? From these guys? Well, I say trouble is our middle name.
Who said we were in trouble?
When we're slicing scuts with a knife or a blade, when we're shooting fast and Groot's making shade, that's what I call trouble. Who's with me?
We are!
Can't believe I'm missing Thanos right now. Peter! This has got my name on it!
I got
Die
all these
with
toys.
honor.
I'm just dying for you!
It'll be a slice!
Groot! Show him you take them down fast! We need to get off this thing!
They're trying to trap us here! They're trying to distract us so more can come!
It's gonna cost them!
Why do they fight us?
Because they're a loony space cult?
What is all this?
A place to store things!
Smash him up, Drax!
He's woozy! Time to hit him!
Let us deal the final blow!
What's next, Peter?
Ready!
We can't stay here!
We gotta outgun them! Or outsword them! They're crawling out of the woodwork! Fake tech!
Let them come!
Drax, don't claw!
Meet your maker!
They all got skips! We just need to find a docked one!
Why do they fight us?
They have a death wish! Eyes on the prize, Peter!
I knew you had my back!
Been too long since...
Don't... Skip, let's find one fast, people!
If this were war, we'd want to bring back a prisoner for questioning.
You want to drag one of these... There's our ride! Come on!
There's no end to them!
Rocket, can you outrun them?
How? We've got the same skiff!
Crap, the shield's blown!
You gotta keep him off of us!
Closing in!
Let them come!
We're hit! How bad is it?
Bad! I've gotta put her down!
Ah!
Take them down fast! We need to get off this thing!
I would if these Flarknards would quit fighting back!
Is it me or we barely denting
Not
this
good!
thing?
Get ready for a fight!
Bruce! Hawkeye, put him up, tomorrow!
Time's up!
We're in this now!
We don't want to be here for reinforcements!
Clark, these guys are stubborn!
This one mocks our every effort!
Get him, Bruce!
You got it!
Well done, you two! A tactfully executed
Get back
maneuver!
out there!
They're trying to distract us so more can come!
It's working! They're really distracting!
Man, that giant robot can take a lot of pain!
Things built up! We need to really pile it on!
Sit tight, Gamora!
The Church of Pain is in session, Scutthole!
They look like believers!
Hold him down, Groot! Gamora! Run him through!
Never see! We can't stay here!
Don't let up! Punch him up!
It is acceptable to ask for help, Peter Quill!
Appreciate the help, big guy!
Zonked out weirdos deserve it!
Why did they fight us?
I thought Raker made that pretty clear! They're crawling out of the woodwork! Big tech!
Don't walk into my crossfire!
Having fun preying on the weak?
Rocket!
About time!
Safety's off! Take them down fast! We need to get off this thing!
I would if these Flarknards would quit fighting back!
What is next, Peter Quill?
They're trying to distract us so more can come!
It's gonna cost them! Cut him down, Groot! Load up, Rocket!
Come get some of Rocket's gospel!
Hear the word! What is all this?
Fuel depot for the skiffs, looks like! Another skiff here!
You want to get onto another one of those death traps?
You want to stay on this one?
Good point! Where's the shield?
I don't know! It ain't working!
Gonna have to do without it! They're on us again!
We were here first! Get off!
Yeah! King of the Hill, suckers! Take them down fast! We need to get off this thing!
They're trying to trap us here!
This thing's falling apart!
Come on! We're almost there!
Are we gonna make it?
No!
What is all this?
I bet they're powering up faith batteries! more skiffs!
I think we trashed them all anyways. Hang on. You feel that?
No.
The vibrations are different here. We're getting close to the end of the trip and our way out of here.
You can detect that?
Hello, Whiskers?
Drax, toss it!
Heads up!
Send it their way, Drax!
This one is primed for punishment!
Let's make him feel it!
These delusions do not know when to quit!
Stop that weirdos deserve it!
You're welcome!
Thanks, Gamora! No pictures, please!